Let's understand how to create professional purchase order using the Quotation Maker web app. From the dashboard, click on New Purchase Order to get started. From here, you can change the purchase order date. Add customer by clicking on the Select Customer option. Here, you can choose a customer from the existing customers list or add a new customer. Fill up customer details and don't forget to save it. Selected customer will be displayed on final PDF. Let's select product. Here you can choose product from existing products list or you can add new product. Fill up product details and don't forget to save it. Fill up product quantity. You can also edit price and description. Now click on Add to Purchase Order. This will be added to your purchase order. Now let's add another product, same as the first one. Selected products will be displayed in the final PDF. From here, you can also add other charge info. Let's add terms and conditions. Here, you can choose terms from the existing list or add new terms. Add terms as per your need or requirement, then save it. You can select multiple terms or select all terms. Selected terms will be displayed on the final PDF. Verify all details on the screen and generate purchase order. Your professional-looking purchase order is ready. You can download it as a PDF. Thank you for watching.